So yun nga no. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Ali Yusuf Ibla, and the first presenter when it comes sa diagnosis of alcohol problems. So in this slide, we're going to discuss the diagnosis based on DSM-5 criteria, severity classified as mild, moderate, or severe. It also includes 11 specific diagnostic symptoms and focusing on grieving, withdrawal, and social functioning. So, when it comes sa DSM-5 outlines on 11 criteria to diagnose alcohol use disorder or AUD with severity level ranging from to severe is this criteria encompasses symptoms like strong craving, failure to fulfill major and responsibilities, and physical withdrawal symptoms. So this model eliminates the older distinction between abuse and dependence and focuses on comprehensive assessment of alcohol impact on a person's life. So, alcohol use disorder or AUD is a condition where drinking causes problems in a person's life. So, doctor use guide called DSM-5 to check for 11 signs such as drinking more than planned, wanting to stop but can't, spending a lot of time drinking, feeling a strong need to drink, trouble at work, school, home, and also drinking even when it causes problems. So if someone has 2 or more signs, they may have AUD. So when it comes to 2 or 3 signs, it is mild, or 5 or 5 4 or 5 signs moderate, and 6 or more is severe. So these methods help the doctors to understand how serious the drinking problem is and how it affects the person's daily life. So the next slide is the alternative definitions is and in this discussion or in this slide we're going to discuss the alcohol problems viewed on continuum, and also includes a wide range of drinking behaviors and emphasize the individual patterns over formal labels, and also aligns with behavioral research perspective. So when it comes to alternative definitions, it is proposed that alcohol use exists along with spectrum rather than fitting into rigid categories. This perspective acknowledges that people may experience problems without meeting critical thresholds. It shifts focus